If you have followed how to make a bookcase part 1, you should now be ready to assemble the bookcase. The key steps are assembling and finishing. Step 1. Assembling. Apply adhesive inside the mortise of the side panel, as well as on the tenon of the first piece. Fit the tenon into the mortise and tap it into place with a mallet. If the tenon is too big to fit into the mortise, you can chisel off the excess wood and try again. Do the same with the 2 remaining shelves. Once the 3 shelves have been fit into the first side panel, apply adhesive into the mortises of the second side piece. Apply some on the remaining tenons of the shelves. Fit the mortises on the second side panel onto the respective tenons of the 3 shelves. Set the joints in place with a mallet and check if the shelves are at a right angle. Next, mark 2 points on the outer surface of the side panel to hammer in nails through the side of the shelf. Watch your fingers when you use the hammer and make sure the nail goes in straight. Once the nail is set, hammer it in a little deeper with a center punch. The nails will help hold the shelves together. Continue applying nails to secure all 3 shelves onto both side panels. Step 2. Finishing. Sand the bookcase with a random orbital sander. Brush away the sawdust when you are done. To learn more on sanding, watch How to Use a Random Orbital Sander. Next, use a sanding block with fine grit sandpaper to sand the bookcase by hand. Clean the surface and proceed to apply sealer with a brush. To learn how to apply sealer, watch the video How to Polish Wood. You now know how to make a bookcase.